Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your green screen issues on your iPhone. Now, the issues will look like just green flickers or completely a green cover on your iPhone screen. Now to fix that, what you'll need to do is first you'll need to force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you'll have to first press and release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button. After you do that, just press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, just release the side button. After doing that, your iPhone will get forced restart, and if that does not fix the issue, the problem might be due to a hardware related issue. So you might just have to change the display and the screen of your iPhone. So do that, go to a nearby hardware store, make sure that it's trusted, and after you do that, just replace it with a good one and your problem will go away. So that basically is how you fix this problem, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.